Have you ever wondered why two people can earn the same amount of money, but after many years, one becomes financially successful while the other is still struggling? The difference is not always their salary. It is often the way they think, the decisions they make, and the habits they repeat every day. Money is not only a numbers game, it is also a psychological game. Many people are not poor because they lack opportunities. They are trapped by invisible mental habits that silently destroy their financial future. In this video, we will uncover 7 money mindset traps that keep people from building wealth and learn how to overcome them. The first mental trap is constantly comparing your life to other people. Every day, social media shows expensive vacations, luxury cars, beautiful homes, and perfect lifestyles. Many people begin believing they are falling behind. They start spending money to impress others instead of building their own future. But the truth is, comparing your life to someone else's highlight reel is one of the fastest ways to damage your finances and your peace of mind. The second mental trap is choosing instant pleasure over long-term wealth. Our brains naturally enjoy immediate rewards. Buying something today feels exciting, while saving or investing often feels slow and boring. This is why many people spend money without thinking about the future. Financial success belongs to those who can delay short-term pleasure in exchange for greater rewards later. The third mental trap is the fear of investing. Many people believe investing is only for the wealthy, or that it is too risky. Because of that fear, they leave their money sitting idle for years without giving it the chance to grow. The biggest risk is not always investing. Sometimes the biggest risk is doing nothing at all. Learning before investing can turn fear into confidence and help you build wealth over time. The fourth mental trap is waiting for the perfect time to start. Many people believe they will save more when they earn a higher salary, invest when the market feels safer, or begin budgeting after life becomes less stressful. But that perfect moment rarely arrives. Successful people do not wait for perfect conditions. They begin with what they have, improve little by little, and allow consistency to create results over time. The fifth mental trap is believing that wealthy people succeed only because of luck. Many people look at successful investors, business owners, and entrepreneurs and assume they were simply in the right place at the right time. While luck can play a role, most financial success comes from years of learning, discipline, patience, and consistent action. When you blame success on luck, you stop looking for lessons that could improve your own future. The sixth mental trap is being afraid of making financial mistakes. Many people never invest, start a business, or learn new skills because they fear failure. But every financially successful person has made mistakes and learned from them. The seventh mental trap is believing that someone else will change your financial future. No one will care more about your money than you do. The day you take responsibility is the day your financial life begins to change. Your mindset shapes your money, and your daily choices shape your future. Which of these 7 mental traps have you experienced the most? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to Lavora Horizon for more practical personal finance lessons and wealth building strategies.